We're here! Kaymen, Great Wolf!
You want to go?
Woohoo!
Mom, you get one.
Alright, we made it to Great Wolf Lodge! It's dark in here, huh?
Yeah, dark. I'm so excited for Great Wolf Lodge! My mom and dad always say, live big, love big, always do your best, and don't forget that you can do amazing things.
Welcome to Scott and Camber. We are at Great Wolf Lodge in Anaheim, California. We're about to have a party. So you just sit right there, stay tuned because it's going to be amazing. All right, so we're gonna have a blast. Stick with us. Check this place out.
We are in our Great Wolf Lodge room right now, and it's just me and Kaymen. And we wanted to show you.
And Disneyland.
Going to Disneyland? Oh, we are going to Disneyland. But we wanted to show you our room. So here is our Great Wolf Lodge room tour.
I want to go and they will watch.
This is the bathroom. It's very dark, but that's the bathroom. This.
I want to and they will watch.
You want to go to Great Wolf Lodge?
Yeah.
We love Great Wolf Lodge, don't we?
I want to in the water slide.
You like the water slide?
Yeah.
Kaymen loves the water slide. Oh my gosh, she loves it so much. It's so cute. Oh, and here's the sink if you were wondering where it was. This is our cute little, they consider it the wolf den. It's for the little kids to sleep in, so they've got double bunk beds, and they've got a TV they can watch stuff on. It is a bed! And then they've got cute little like drawings all over it. I love it. I think it's so cute. And then they got the wolf den. Here, Kaymen, look. They've got in the wolf den. They've got a window, and it's so cute. And then we'll just peek inside. And then we've got our whole huge room, the pull-out bed, and the couch, and then the big queen bed. Is that the air conditioning? So that is our room tour. We love Great Wolf Lodge. They've got adorable rooms for the whole family. It's just great. I love it. What's that? I don't even know what she's saying, honestly. Sometimes it's so hard to understand her, but she's so cute.
My puppy.
What did you name your puppy? Do you remember?
I named my tongue.
What?
This.
Is that his tongue?
Yeah.
She named her puppy Puppy, but it just it's so special to me because the first stuffed animal I ever got was a puppy. I named it Puppy, and I still have it. It's so cute.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed up late and then went home. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. nothing could be better than you and me, you and me. Baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us. Yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, you and me. Baby, it was you and me. Dream again, 'cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, you and me. Baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us. Yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, you and me. Baby, it was you and me. Baby, it was. Baby, it was.
Okay, Taste, guess what? Bravery's got something for you.
Oh, don't touch that. Little yummy bear.
Taste, what do you have? What's that for?
What you want?
You get a wand. Kaymen, do you get a wand too?
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm Kaymen.
You're Kaymen's wand?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good to me. Let's go.
How are you gonna fit that in our car?
It's squishy, so I can sit on it. Wait. No.
How many tickets you win?
12,000. Zane won 12,000. And with all of our cards.
All right, we decided we're gonna do the buffet for dinner because they have some amazing stuff. Taste opened up a napkin and fork and knife while we were checking out the buffet. They've got some amazing food there though.
Loose Moose Family Kitchen. You hungry?
Yeah.
Taste, are you hungry? So hungry? You're so hungry too?
Yeah.
Okay, so we decided to go to the Loose Moose restaurant. We weren't sure what to expect because it was a buffet. Holy cow, you guys, we are not disappointed at all. I wanted to come here because there were options for the little kids to eat that wasn't just little kid food. So look at all this yummy.
Look what I got.
Yeah, look at all this yummy food.
What?
On the bottom. I bet like there's glitter down. I love glitter. The dancing dolphins.
Dolphins. Taste, what did you pick?
The spider.
Kaymen, what did you pick?
Sure.
I want dolphin one.
Dolphin one.
I want me.
What did you pick?
I chose the flower hibiscus. I love flowers.
You want a unicorn?
You chose what color, Taste?
Green.
Green.
Cool, dude.
Go pick up my favorite.
You're all set.
What do you say?
Thank you.
So cool, bro.
Alright, you wanna climb off?
One of the cool things at Great Wolf Lodge they do are these glitter tattoos, and this was part of their what is this, the paw pass? Part of their paw pass. All the kids got all the kids got paw passes, and so part of the paw pass is a glitter tattoo. So that's what we're doing right now. Super cool. Hold on, let me see.
I got you.
That's your tattoo?
Dolphin.
Dolphin. So pretty. Another perk of the Paw Pass is that you get a Build-A-Bear, and they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, looks like about 12 different styles for you to choose from, and it comes with the Paw Pass. So you buy the Paw Pass, you get a Build-A-Bear. Super cool.
So you like the puppy the best? That's your choice?
Okay, we gotta go get him
Okay,
stuffed.
let's go get him stuffy. Oh, that bunny is so. Is that what you're gonna get? Yay! I'm so glad.
I love the face.
Actually, I like it without the stuffing. It's very cute.
I know, it's like flopped.
Flopsy. Aww.
Party. To do that, you're gonna put it in between your hands.
Put it between your hands, like her. Yep. There you go. Yep, do that.
You're gonna warm up that heart. That way the puppy stays nice and warm-hearted just for you. Let's see if it's nice and warm. Oh, that almost hurt me. That's a really warm heart. Okay, so now we gotta get a heartbeat for your heart. So you're gonna lay it flat on your palm, and you're gonna tap, tap, tap. Just keep tapping to give it a heartbeat. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, that's gonna be a strong heartbeat. I can almost hear it from here. That's so strong. That's so good. All right, you're gonna give it a kiss. Come on,
Can you kiss the heart?
kiss the heart.
The heart?
The heart. That way your built-in bear stays as sweet as you. Now you're gonna put it close to your heart. Close to your heart. Okay, close your eyes and make a wish. Okay. Oh, that's a good wish. That's a good wish. That one's a picture. All right, I want you to do me a favor. Put it right inside.
Put it in there now.
Good job. Now comes the best part of my job.
Cool. Let me see. There's your little cheetah.
It's a snow leopard.
What?
Get your animals right, Dad.
She's right, it is a snow leopard. Yeah,
You got a strawberry? Oh, taster boy. Let's see. Oh, buddy.
I like that choice, Tay.
That's a really good one, bud. That's a.
We're gonna put to test, okay? Anyway, I have
Alright, let's see your one. Let me see it. Come here, Kaymen. Oh, cool. One. Okay, you got that one. That one. Cool. Taster, you got that one. Are you ready to go on your magic quest? Yeah, maybe.
And my teddy. Potato, hot potato. Who has a hot potato? If you have a hot potato, you are out. I shouldn't have caught it.
Okay, here we go.
Hot potato, hot potato. Who has a hot potato? If you have a hot potato, you are out. You flipped out. I win.
I think there was a little bit of cheating going on
I
there.
think it was cheated. Let's.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
You are worth it.
Good job.
Let's go say hi.
Want to take a picture? Oh my God. Want to take a picture?
Go give her a hug. Go there. Go there.
Ray, go with Kaymen.
Aww.
Say cheese. 1, 2. Cheese. Yeah. Say thank you.
You want to give her a hug?
Nice. Hey, what's on your face?
Chocolate.
A lot of chocolate.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's put our stuff on there. Wait, wait! Hi guys!
Was it good though?
You got me good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You got me good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, baby. All I'm thinking about is when you come around.